Respected judges, respected teachers, and my dear audience. I am Mritangshu Jaina, a student of class 2 from VS Vidyalaya Sunabeda. First of all, I would like to thank from the core of my heart to Shimrock Sandipani for organizing such events and thereby giving an opportunity to speak and think over the importance of Utkala Divas. Bande Utkala Janani चारु हास्यमय जननी जननी जननी. As we all know, Utkal Divas is celebrated all over Odisha and all across the country and world by the audience living there on 1st April every year to mark the formation of the new separate state Odisha or province on 1st April 1936. Our great state Odisha has lost its identity and independence after the defeat of King Prataparudra in the year 1568. It was ruled by Mughals, Afghans, Britishers. At that critical times, Maharaja Krishna Chandra Gajapati, Utkal Gaura Madhusudan Das, Vyasakavi Fakir Mohan Senapati, and many other leaders and writers struggled very hard to achieve the separate state for our Odia-speaking people on 1st April 1936 from the Britishers. It's a day to remember the sacrifice struggle of our Odia freedom fighters and writers. We should have self-respect and feel proud to be an Odia, as it is our mother tongue, through we learn the world. It's important for us to stay committed to our cause, cherish our glory, culture, heritage, vast natural resources, and make our Odisha great. Thank you. Jai Hind. Bande Utkala Janani.